Alright guys, so we got another Xbox in. It's not turning on or powering up, so you can see that you push the button, it doesn't do anything. So let's open it up and see what's going on with it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the Wi-Fi module over here, and then we're going to run the same test again without the Wi-Fi on there. Okay, so we removed it. Power plugged in, and no action. Alright, so what we found out is actually the alright everybody, so you see that the physical short actually was from the Wi-Fi board. It is working now and turning on now. So maybe it's a simple fix. Check your Wi-Fi board and see if there's a short. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for new videos coming out every day, or every week I should say. And thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, put it down below. And we'll see you in the next video.